Okay, one big source where you could get a lot of graphite, pencil graphite, so you could do the graphene, is these pencils. Industrial strength, industrial quality. They're the square, flat ones. In these you will find a lot of graphite. And it's compared to the number 2 pencils you use in school, the high quality ones. But I got these in a crazy dollar. It's basically a dollar store, but they sell different different brands than the dollar store. So basically what I did was I burned one, and this came up. I burned one because I found out that if you burn off the paint, whatever's holding it together will loosen up a little, and it's the only way to get it almost whole back. I used a rubber hammer and I hit it in the sides, like I started in the corner once I burned it. But if you're looking for large quantities of graphite pencil, that's the best way. See how huge that is? And you got four to 5 in this pack. Okay, this is Luis Martinez. Press like if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment.